Yeah, bro, you could fit a lot of junk in this trunk. No diddy. This is my new chain. We tried something else a little new, guys. We are using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro today. Changed it up, a little bit smaller of a setup, but we're gonna see. Hopefully audio's all good. We are still using the DJI Mic 2 paired to it. It does auto pair, which is really nice, and have 32-bit. Ooh, we were thirsty. I knew the gas light was on, but didn't know you were this thirsty, girl. Hopefully I don't have to fill up tomorrow, but we'll see. Sorry, I have my music loud. What'd you say?
I said I like you black.
Thank you. I'm a pink guy. Pink's my favorite color, so that's why it's pink. Thank you, though. Alright, let's get on. Have a good day. Thank you. Alrighty. It's been like a month since I even rode the bike, so. We also are riding still without a rear brake. Jay has not gotten us the miles on the bike. Has not gotten us the rear reservoir yet. Sorry, 5-0. This is kind of like a test vlog of the new setup. Hopefully everything is working out good on it. Hopefully it auto connects well to the DJI Mic 2. We're kind of just going to go for a little ride, make sure everything's good, because tomorrow we are going to be going out and getting a good amount of vlogs. Because I got to catch back up. I am only even this weekend with work and school. I do not always have the time to go out and film, so I like to stay 2 to 3 weeks ahead. And I will be going to Vegas in 3 weeks with Kay for F1. So I'm like, if I'm going to be losing that weekend, let's make sure we have a couple videos stockpiled for you guys, because I don't want to fall off from doing weekly uploads. We're starting to gain traction. If you guys haven't, make sure to go watch me and Kay, which it's Supercars and Superbikes Terrorize the Roads. It is my most viewed video so far. We have 12,000 views on that video, my most viewed video of all time. And I've been making YouTube videos for quite a while, not consistently. Went for cars for a while, took a break, then did more cars, and took a break. Did bikes, got in the accident, had to take a break. Now doing my Aprilia stuff. So we've been doing content for quite a while and hit 12K. I might have a short that has done more, but not a full-length video, which is insane. So people are loving what we're doing, and we're just going to keep doing it. Why stop now? So, but yeah, no, make sure to go check out that video. A lot of fun. But today is just a little ride around, chit-chat. Some things new that you guys don't know about on the bike, that is. We did install a new chain and sprocket. Thank you Insta360 for crashing, because my Ace Pro, I lost all the footage. So that is not why I switched to the DJI. I switched to the DJI for a more compact setup, but it did crash. I did a whole install of my chain and sprocket. Got some beautiful titanium bolts. When we get to the gas station right now, I'll actually get off the bike and show you guys the new chain. We went with the gold chain. Make sure to, anything you need to go pick up from Daisuke Racing, they hooked it up with stuff. Best parts company on the market. Use code STICKERZ. STICKERZ will get you 10% off anything on their store. They can get you anything. From chain sprockets to oil to windshields to Rizomas. Anything you need, ASVs, make sure to go pick it up from Daisuke Racing and use code STICKERZ. Get you, save you a little bit of money. 10% is, it could be a lot. 10% on $1,000 is $100. You know what you can do with $100? A lot. What could I do with $100? That's like $15. What's the math on that? 15, 30. That's like what? 2, 4, 6, maybe 7 tanks of gas. That's a lot of gas. And this one's a little bit of an alcoholic right here. So actually, she's not on E85. So she's just a drinker, non-alcoholic. She'd be an alcoholic if she was on E85, like the Cadillac. That one's an alcoholic. Let's try to warm up some tires a little bit. But yeah, Colby will be meeting us right here. I'm gonna stop right here at the gas station. I'll show you guys, like I said, the chain and sprocket on her. Well, bam, kill this thing. Not let everybody go deaf in here. This is my new chain. Went with the super light sprocket, 43 teeth, was 41, so added 2 teeth. And those beautiful blue titanium bolts right there. Another awesome add, which I haven't cleaned up yet. You see that right there? We got a Cordona quick shifter. This quick shifter is absolutely insane. Compared to stock, oh my god, it's butter. It is butter. Like, its shifts are fast, hard, not hard, fast, smooth, but it just, through every gear, you just be flying. But like I said, not gonna get the wheel off the ground too much today because need to warranty this thing. I don't know if you can see it, but the solenoid did, the rubber gasket on the bottom right here, ripped out, so therefore, I got no rear brake. Like, there's nothing there, sadly, but it's okay. No rear brake is fine, just no wheelies. You need to get like a box to put in there so nothing like falls, like something that holds. Get a little Tupperware container. Yeah, bro, you could fit a lot of junk in this trunk. No diddy. I'll let you start yours. I don't want to disrespect you like that. This dude is just revving. Oh, don't want to put that in the back pocket, guys. I think it's a cop. I'll talk to you guys all later. Deuces. Alright guys, we are here in beautiful sunny California. What day is it? It is November 8th. And this is what California looks like. This is beautiful southern sunny California. This is wild. People ask, why do you deal with the expenses of California? This is November. This is going to be our December. And then January will be a little bit colder, maybe a couple of rainy days. And then back to like this. This is actually kind of a cold day for California. It's a clean colorway. Like that body style. Old, but pretty clean. That's a clean looking bike. CBR 900 RR. Yeah, that's beautiful. I don't know if that's OEM paintwork, but if it is, wow, that bike is stunning if that's OEM. It almost looks too good to be OEM, but I could be wrong. Could be a garage queen. That looks like a clean car up there, but yeah, that's actually a beautiful bike. No clue what that is. That is literally goals right there. I want to get to that age with my wife, go on beautiful cruises around the beach. Like, the epitome of goals. I don't want to be old yet, but I want to be old one day like that. Absolutely. Married to the love of your life. Yeah, goals. Well, like I was saying, I don't want to be old yet, but I want to be old like that. Married for 60 years. And just happy. Loving each other every day like it was the day you set eyes on each other. I'm so glad I got a hoodie because goddamn California, you're getting cold. Should've worn the leathers. But it's okay. We're doing a bonfire. It smells like chocolate. Yeah. Fire. My nuts. Yeah, we're gonna probably stop here at Main Street. Colby's gonna charge his cardo. I'm gonna have to switch your guys' battery out. This DJI camera, battery life is A1 so far. That's clean. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but it definitely looks like a custom body kit on the rear, but whatever it is absolutely gorgeous. What are you? Whatever you are, you're absolutely stunning. White walls. Can't see shit out of that. That windshield is tiny. Subwoofer in the rear looks like. Yeah, that thing is pretty. Exhaust comes out the side. That's how you know it's a hot rod. Yeah, that's beautiful. You can close it too, it looks like. That's funny. We are leaving now. Cruise back down to Newport, or cruise down towards Newport.
Get a little old for this shit. Doing all those trench plates, my body be hurting. It's a puppy. Oh, killer. Ooh. Little snack. Come here.
McLaren must have got scared. He tried to catch up.
How close were they when they tried to catch up? How close did they get when they tried to catch up? No, how close did they catch up? Or they didn't at all? Because I seen them go and I'm like, oh, I'm going.
Yeah, we didn't know. I didn't know we were racing.
Yeah, I looked back and they were mobbing, so I said, fuck it, like drop, and pin. Well, I dropped down to second and pinned it, so I kind of jumped.
I was at like the bottom of the fish.
Oh, yeah, if they would have caught up one light sooner, it would have been a fucking first run.
Turned around a little later than I wanted to, but make sure to drop a comment. Let me know if this audio is decent, because if it's uploaded, that means I thought it was decent enough to vlog. But new audio, new setup. Let me know if you guys like it, if it's worth it. But make sure to like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications by hitting that bell icon. And if you didn't check out last week's video, go check it out. But be safe, guys. Much love.